going?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. That's impressive.
Did it feel faster in the passenger seat?
That's impressive, that is. Do you know what that reminds me of?
What's that?
Well, Mike, I haven't got much experience with four-wheel drive cars.
Yeah.
And the only other thing I can recall going in like quickly is a Mark III Focus RS around the ring.
Oh yeah.
This felt a lot more lively at the rear than that did.
Yeah.
But equally, this felt like it had got the same shove out the corner.
Yeah. It don't half get up and go.
Yeah.
As I say, when you're doing illegal speeds, then it starts to feel a bit slower. But those kind of speeds there,